Good, how are you?
What's up, guys?
How you doing?
Good, good.
Oh, that's over there. That's arguing.
Who over there? Where?
That's inside.
Okay. Everybody got IDs? No. Well, he has mine inside.
What's your name, man?
Adrian?
Adrian?
Yeah.
Adrian what?
Abelard.
Abelard?
Yeah.
With a B?
With the A-V as in boy.
Oh,
V.
Abelard with a V. Okay,
E-L-A-R.
cool. What's your date of birth? Cool. All right. You working on your car today?
Yeah.
Okay. You or they're working on your car?
Yeah, they are.
They are? Okay.
They're inside.
Okay.
Anybody on parole probation? No.
You got your ID, miss?
No.
Okay. What's your name? How do you spell your first name, man? No. You right here.
Adrian?
Adrian? Like
A-D?
R-A-N?
Yeah.
Okay. SCC 1038 with 1 at San Gabriel and Kine, City of Rosemead.
From San Gabriel Pine, City of Rosemead. Identify and go ahead.
Temple 54, ma'am. 1038 with 1. Last name Avalar. Adam, Victor, Edward, Lincoln, Adam, Robert. First name Adrian, Adam, David, Robert, Ida, Adam, Nora. Date of birth. Temple 54.
I'm sorry, you broke in the beginning. Confirm you don't have a DL, and it's Adrian Avelar.
That's affirmative, ma'am. Temple 54.
I'm checking on your subject.
Correction to the birth date. It's going to be.
What's up? Keep your hands where I can see them. Oh. Can I put my windows up?
No. Is that the guy who was working on your car?
Yeah.
Did you have a scheduled appointment to come in today, or
I came over here and he let us come over here.
which guy?
The tall white dude.
Tall white dude?
Yeah.
There's 2 tall white dudes in there. The skinny one or the heavy set one?
The heavy set one.
Oh, okay.
No, I don't have no warrants. My name's Adrian
Or there's
Avelar.
no DL matching that name in DOB. However, that first DOB that you there is an Adrian Avelar. The last name is spelled Adam, Boy, Edward, Lincoln, Adam, Robert. Shows an address out of Whittier. Is that your subject?
Where do you stay at, man?
Huh?
Where do you stay at?
I stay on Bello.
On Bell? You don't have any ID on you?
No.
Temple 54 copies. Can you write it to my box, man?
The guy has it though.
Okay. He has his ID. They have his ID in there? Alright.
Can I get my sweater?
Not right now, man.
I don't even know mine by heart.
I do. Let's step out of the car. Gun! Face, dude!
1033 998.
Hey, stay right there. Put you on the way.
I sorry.
Okay, so no ID. All right. He says he never had an ID. He never gave an ID.
I don't even know my heart.
Hey! Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Wait, dude.
I don't even know my heart.
Wait, dude.